Hello, can you hear me well? Hello, can you hear me well? Okay, nice. Now open the Google Chrome. Nice. Now click on this one. Okay, nice. Now wait. I'll show you. Now click on this one. Nice. Also, I'm using this one for moving my mouse pointer here. The mouse pointer is moving based on my hand movement, right? Here, here. Okay, okay, sorry. Uh, now here, moving. Okay, click on this one. Okay, nice. So, okay, open a new tab. So the new tab is opening now. Okay, nice. Okay, type here, what is the best university in the world in 2024? So it is showing me the best university, right? So show me this one. Okay, nice. Okay, now moving on. Okay, click here. Okay, nice. Open the select mode. Now I can select. Okay, now copy this one. Copy this one. Okay, stop selecting. Stop selecting. Okay, nice. Okay, open a new tab. Okay, now click on this one. Okay, nice. And click on this one. Okay, nice. Click on this one again. Okay, nice. So now we'll open the new one. Okay, open this one. Sorry, click on this one. Sorry, click on this one. Okay, nice. Just open it now. Now paste the test here. Yeah, that is what we copy from before, right? Yeah, okay, scroll upside. No, it is scrolling upside, right? Yeah, and this one is what we copied from before. Okay, the top university ranking 2024. Okay, nice. Okay, stop scrolling. Uh, okay, I will show you here. Click on this one. Yeah, stop scrolling. Because of this one, yeah, the scrolling is already stopped, right? So nice. Yeah, and automation will work. So stop scrolling. Okay, the scrolling already stopped. Okay, nice. Scroll down again. So it is scrolling downward. Okay, nice. Okay, stop scrolling. Okay, scrolling is already stopped. Okay, what should we do now? Okay, this one is my hand gesture and voice control based computer system. This means is I will control my computer system with my hand gesture and voice commands. So I'm still on progress, but usually somehow the program is working. Okay, as we can read the speech clearly and correctly, mostly correct. So this system is really okay. Okay, really nice. Okay, now, so I don't nothing to do with this one. So stop. So I was stop the program. Stop the program. Sorry, stop. Stop the program. Okay, nice. The program is already stopped, so I cannot use my hand gesture anymore. So I need to use my mouse here. Okay, nice. Traditional mouse here. I need to use my traditional mouse. Okay, nice, nice. Okay, so here I have how many lines of code here? 1,597 lines of code. Maybe it is almost 1,600 total. Here I have the separated file. Okay, so that is all for the introduction of my project. So thank you everyone.